This is Willow. Installed from Atlassian Marketplace, it works from your Jira or Confluence and lets your colleagues submit anonymous reports in a few clicks. A reporter opens the app, selects preferred language from the list, types their report, picks the report type done. It's easy to save the unique report ID to get submission updates and wait until the compliance team takes care of it. When the compliance team receives the report, they can manage its status, ask for more data, or take it into work right away. Each report has compliance deadlines for it, meaning it's easy to stay compliant with the latest whistleblowing laws. From the admin perspective, Willow offers a wide range of settings. Admins can set when the reports show up in the system, have a data retention policy to not store completed reports for too long. The compliance team can add an email to receive notifications on new reports and summaries if reports are failing compliance deadlines. If your company has Jira Service Management, Willow can be added to it to allow anonymous submission of reports from a selected JSM portal. Willow also provides each customer with their unique public submission portal. After activation, it spins up a public page that can be customized with company branding. This portal lets anyone submit whistleblowing tips without requiring a valid Jira license. After submission, a reporter can follow up on their tip and receive the latest updates. Willow also provides secure and reliable access control, rich audit log, and modern analytics and reporting, allowing your team to assess the efficiency of your program. Install Willow today to get your whistleblowing program started. First 30 days completely free.